Good morning, students. Welcome to online teaching. Today we will discuss third chapter of history, an empire across three continents. In chapter second, you have discussed about Mesopotamia. In this, you will discuss about the Roman civilization. This civilization was spread in three continents. Spreading three continents named as Asia, North Africa and Europe. These were the three continents that were part of this Roman civilization. It was founded by Romulus in 1000 BCE in Latinum, means 1000 earlier BCE, that was the time period. Okay, next thing is there that the city was Rome, and its capital was Italy. If you compare it with modern time, you can see Italy is the city and Rome is the capital. But during that time period of Roman civilization, Rome was the city and Italy was its capital. Okay, Rome, as you know, is situated on the bank of river Tiber. That is there, Tiber river. It is situated. Okay. Now some of the sources are required to understand about the history. Sources of Roman Empire. What were the sources? The first were the texts, second were the documents, and third were the material remains. Means that was remain after the empire is over, after the civilization is over. Okay. Now we will discuss one by one. That is text. These are the written things that were found at that time in the form of letters or other things that were situated on this. Okay. Now first were there in that annals were there. Annals. What was that? The sequence of events. Sequence of events that includes in the form of sermons, letters and laws that were written. Annals, the chronicle sequence of history. It means it is a very typical job for the archaeologists or for the historians or the scholars, that they have to put in these in the sequence. With this proper sequence we are able to understand this. Okay. Second is documents. It means most important part, that was inscriptions. You have read earlier also, inscriptions that are written on hard surfaces. That were most important part. It means that were on the rocks, in the pillars or other things. Documents, these were very important to tell about the history. A different, you may say, stones are there, rocks are there, which are on which these things are written. Okay. And most important is papyri. That is, and also, most important part, that is also papyri. This is, you may say, papyri. Papyri, that is a plant that is grown on the bank of Nile river. Most important part, because this civilization was even spread in North Africa and Egypt was also its part. Papyri, most important part of this, and on the bank of Nile river, this was used in a form of paper. So that can be utilized. Most important thing is there. because at that time no such paper were there, no such books and such things were there. but even then Pepi very important part to tell about the history of Roman civilization. A number of scrolls were there that were found. Okay, now the third is material remains. You know, the pottery is there, the buildings are there, the coins are there. These are very important part, the remains. Whole earth is a part. If we go on digging, we will get somewhere. Okay, that material remains means that are the hard, that are the buildings that are found.